December unfolded as a month of purposeful preparation and meaningful milestones. The journey began with dedicated practice sessions for the annual sports meet, fostering discipline, teamwork, and perseverance. Academic focus remained strong to the conduction of pre-boards and the SAFL examinations, encouraging students to demonstrate their depth of knowledge and understanding. The Foundation Day celebration gave us a moment to reflect on the school's journey and its enduring values. These efforts were finally culminated in a vibrant 3-day annual sports meet where energy, sportsmanship, and collective spirit filled the entire school campus. The month was further marked by Remembrance Day, observed with reverence through a heartfelt tribute to our respected patron, Ma Sharda, leaving behind a sense of gratitude and purpose.
Greeting viewers, this is your studio reporter Aditi Srivastava bringing you the latest update from the school newsroom. The month of December have been super busy and action-packed. All the teachers and students have been completely on their toes juggling practices, performance and pride. From thundering footstep on the sports field to the buzz of preparation for the annual sports meet across the campus.
December was not just the month of sports and celebration. It was also the month of focus, determination and academic grit as our senior students faced the pre-board examination, an important milestone just before the main boards. These examinations were not a sheet of paper. They tested patience, perseverance and clarity of each student. Every student prepared for weeks revising each concept and analyzing their own progress, ready to give their best. On the day of examination, the exam halls were filled with concentration as students analyzed the question paper and applied their learning. Teachers also motivated them, reminding everyone that pre-boards is not a hurdle, it's just another stepping stone. At OMK, we believe that every smart work truly pays off, so let's shine together.
Now let's talk about the SAFL exams. This month, our students of grade 6 and 9 actively participated in the SAFL examinations, that is, structured assessments for analyzing learning. These competence-based assessments are designed to test understanding and applications of concepts rather than rote learning. The syllabus covered mathematics, science and English, giving students an opportunity to demonstrate their practical knowledge and problem-solving skills. The exams were conducted smoothly, helping students assess their learning, identify strengths and work upon the areas that need improvement.
Let's now turn our attention to a very special occasion, our Foundation Day. This year, our school proudly celebrated 13 years of excellence on 12 December 2025. To mark this milestone, the grade 7 monitors across all the sections performed a special assembly on the inspiring theme, "From a little tiny acorn, a mighty oak tree grows." Just like the acorn grows into a mighty oak, our school's journey has been one of steady growth, strength and promise. The celebration honored our visionaries, our respected director, Mr. Rajesh Singh, who started this venture along with our academic director, Dr. Reinhold Michalek, and our managing director, Mrs. Neeta Singh. Later, our CEO, Mr. Ashwin Singh, joined the leadership and even launched the Edulytics app at a very young age, showing vision and innovation. The Foundation Day Assembly was filled with confidence, creativity and pride, reflecting our school's remarkable journey, achievements and the spirit of growth that continues to inspire everyone.
Shifting gears from celebrations to sports, Open Minds Sabilla School hosted its grand 3-day annual sports meet from 21st to 23rd December 2025 at Edulytics International, a British school. The campus burst with energy and excitement as students from all the grades participated in track and field events, team games, drills and synchronized displays, cheered enthusiastically by parents and teachers. The event event was graced by international guests from the United Kingdom, Mr. Chris Hutchinson, the headmaster, Mr. Sam Powell, the deputy head, and Mr. David Turner, head of innovation and digital learning from Royal Russell School, highlighting strong India-UK educational collaboration. Students interacted confidently with the guests while teachers engaged in meaningful discussions on holistic and innovative education. More than just a sporting event, the annual sports meet of 2025 was a celebration of determination, perseverance, resilience, and school spirit, leaving behind unforgettable memories and a powerful message. When passion meets purpose and nations collaborate, greatness truly follows.
On 24 December 2025, our solemn Remembrance Day, we bowed our heads in reverence and heartfelt gratitude to Ma Sharda, the revered mother of our Honorable Director Sir and a divine presence who continues to bless this institution. Though she is not present in a physical form, her spirit lived on in silent prayers, in moments of reflection, and in values that guides her journey. Ma Sharda embodied compassion, humility, and selfless devotion. Her life stood as a testament to quiet strength, unwavering faith, and unconditional love. As we remembered her that day, she reminded us that people who nurture life never truly leave. They become an eternal strength. Ma Sharda is still with us, watching over us with a mother's grace, guiding us, protecting us at every step we take. May her divine presence be always with us.
December concluded as a month of meaningful growth and quiet accomplishment. Effort deepened understanding. Discipline strengthened confidence, and each and every experience added value towards our learning. Beyond experience, this month reinforced resilience, purpose, and value that we will carry to our journey ahead.